The term microservices refers to a modern application delivery model that divides an application into smaller, self-contained components. By breaking an application down into manageable pieces, each component can be independently deployed, scaled, and updated. This enables developers to easily create and maintain software applications. It also helps improve application functionality and reliability and avoid issues that arise from tightly coupling services together, which is how applications used to be made. That's right, when it comes to application development, microservices architectures are the new kid on the block. Let's explore how we got to this point. The history of application development. In the beginning, applications were developed using a monolithic architecture. This means the application was created as a single, self-contained software unit with all the necessary features included. Then came service-oriented architectures, or SOAs. SOAs were designed to meet the needs of enterprises, which means that despite the services being separate, the system was designed to be interdependent. The idea was to be able to reuse services for other parts of the business. Though very similar to SOAs, microservices architectures were created to be independently deployable. While service-oriented architectures have shared components and reuse as much as possible, the microservices approach shares as little as possible so there is no impact to the performance. Things to keep in mind. Despite being the most preferred approach to application delivery, security can be a notable drawback with microservices. Each service is deployed independently and often has its own sets of security controls. Consequently, it's not always clear who has access to which component, and the potential for malicious activity increases as a result. Beyond securing microservices themselves, it's also important to secure the communication between microservices. APIs enable microservices to talk to each other. APIs also play a critical role in the communication between microservices and your backend services. Noname Security is the only API security vendor to provide end-to-end security from code to production. Whether you need to test your APIs for vulnerabilities, inventory your API footprint, or block attacks in real time, Noname Security has you covered. You can learn more about our platform at nonamesecurity.com.